This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. Last night I posted a video about my results with Jonny Blockchain, how I got my first 1000 USDT with the help of this tool. Also, I was talking about the strategies that can perform in any type of conditions. I got a lot of DMs asking about my settings, the coins that I'm using, even people from other teams, they were asking about all of that. One of them told me, "Hey Will, I have more capital than the one you are showing here, but I have less profits." Some other guy told me, "Will, I have like 40 bots actively running and still I haven't reached 1000 in profits." There are many things that you have to consider. The volatility of the coin, the amount that you are going to allocate for each bot, the initial lot size. That is very important because if I want bigger returns, I need to increase that amount. During this video, I'm going to show you all the coins that I'm using. We're going to go inside each one of those bots so you can see the settings. I'm also going to activate a new bot so you will see what I'm doing there. Of course, none of that is financial advice. I'm just going to share my experience. And if you have any tips for me, those ones are welcome. Please let me know. You can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. And before we get started, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you in advance for your support. And let's get started. So we're going to start with Santos. This one generated 227%. And if we go inside, well, this one is compounding. I only use default settings for those bots. I think my first batch of bots, I allocate 100 USDT in each one of them. And the minimum lot size was 20 USDT. I didn't change anything else. The next one, this one generated at 319%. This is also compounding. Right now sitting in 406. And that also makes the initial lot size go bigger. The rest is just default settings. We got Inject with a 182% in returns. Same thing, I'm compounding there. Now we got 170 and the initial lot size right now is sitting in 32 USDT. UMA, this one is giving a 59% so far. I'm also compounding here. Same thing, I put 100 there and the initial lot size was only 20. And I did the same with the rest of the coins. CFX, which is already sitting in 153% in returns. Pendle with a 82% in returns. Those ones are compounding. TIA, on this one I put 156, a total of 26% so far. This was my first Bitcoin bot where I put 126. It already generated a 56% in returns. The same, this one is compounding. Agix, I put 210 on this one, compounding. Total return so far of 245%. And I did exactly the same with Jasmine. Total return so far 160%, compounding. FET, total return so far 281%. This is my second Bitcoin bot. Right here I put 600, total return so far 41%. But right here with Sol, Shiva, Joe, XRP, Pepe, Ray, Beam, Flocky, and Bunk, I stopped compounding. Let me go inside Sol first. I allocate there 210, no compound, but I increase my initial lot size. And the idea with these new bots, it's just to start to collect those profits to open new bots. With Shiba, I did the same, 210, and my initial lot, I increased it to 50 USDT. No compound option activated. I did the same with Joe. With the XRP, Pepe, I'm doing the same. I have 218 allocated there, around 20% for the initial lot size. Compound option is off. The rest is exactly the same. They are using something called the martingale strategy. I didn't change anything, I just leave it as it is. We also have Ray with the same amount, same settings. I did the same with Beam. Flocky, the new one, 312 allocated on this bot, and I put around 20% for the initial lot size. All right, and I did exactly the same for the last one, Punk. I got started with this one 3 days ago. Same settings, compound option is off, same amount allocated in this bot, 20% for my initial lot size. The rest is just default settings. So let me show you how I do this. I'm gonna go to trends. There is one coin that I wanna try, this one called Near. Not many people on this one yet, but it's already giving good results. And in the last 24 hours, it produced a 134%. It looks very interesting. Only in the last year, around 240%. The last month is also looking really good. 96% the last 7 days, 40% only today, 83%. I just click in this button. I'm going to leave the name right there. I'm going to put 200 on this one. I click right here to activate it. Compound option, I leave it off. Infinite trades, yes. The default amount is there. So to change that, I'm going to click in expert mode. So 20% of this amount, we're talking about 40 USDT in this case. Of course, this is going to increase the value, but to reduce it right here, what I'm going to do is scroll down and remove as many positions as I can until I reach the number that I want to allocate there. So let's keep removing a couple of lines right here. There is all right, 208, 208, and I want my initial lot size to sit in 40 USDT. Now I'm gonna click in save and my bot is gonna start to run. We're gonna see that one right here. I'm not saying this is right. This is just something that I've been trying with the last bots that I opened right here. It's working for me. Since I start to use these settings, I reached the first 1,000 in profits faster. If you have a different strategy, please let me know. I would love to try it too. If you want to get started, well, first you need to purchase a license. That is going to cost you 25 USDT. That license is going to cover 1 year and you can use as many bots as you want. And on top of that, you also need to pay some service fee. That is going to be at 25% from the profits that you produce every week. I think that's fair enough. This automation is doing a fantastic job. With the profits that I'm making here, I can cover that without any issue. Only this week, you see, starting on the 3rd of March, we already produced 585 USDT in profits. And right here is the 25% in fee that I need to pay for this service. Make sure you always have a balance in this wallet because this is how they're gonna deduct it. Remember that Jonny Blockchain doesn't have access to our capital. They cannot touch one single penny of our money. You have full control inside your Binance account or inside your MetaMask wallet. So that's how it works. And also remember to have some BNB to pay the gas fees for all the blockchain transactions. After you register, you're gonna have access to the step-by-step user's guide just by clicking in this button. There you will find short videos explaining all the steps, how to use the DexBot in your computer, how to use it in your mobile. If you want to use the MetaMask option, but you don't have a MetaMask, right here you will find all the videos explaining the whole process. Here are the videos explaining all the fees, the service fees, the commissions. If you want to use the Binance automation, you need to connect through an API connection. And right here you have the videos explaining all of that. Super organized. All the answers, you're gonna find it here. Make sure you watch this content first. There is also an open Telegram community. If you have some extra questions, you can go there. And again, if you have any questions for me, now you know where to find me. The link to my open Telegram group is in the description of this video. I hope this video gave you some valuable information about all that I'm doing inside this platform. If that's so, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you in advance for your support, and I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.